Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly felt heavy, tired, or even angry for no reason? That is not normal. That is negative energy feeding off you. Yes, but today I will show you exactly how to remove it from your life permanently. Yes, so negative energy is real. It comes from people, environment, or even your own thoughts. If you don't cleanse yourself, it will block you from progressing. Your peace and your blessings, it will rob you of all those things. Number one thing to do is to cleanse your space. Your environment carries energy. If your room is dirty, cobwebs everywhere, or it smells bad, negative energy will stay there. Yes, it will attract negative energy to come there. What to do? Open your window every morning for fresh breeze to enter. Yes, burn incense, herbs, or light a candle. Speak positive words into your space. Say this: only peace is allowed here. Cleanse your body with spiritual bath. Sometimes the energy is not around you, it's on you. What you can do: take a spiritual bath regularly. Add natural elements like salt, herbs, or cleansing mixture. As you bathe, speak: as this water touch my body, every negative energy leave now. Protect your mind. Your thoughts are powerful. Negative thinking invites negative energy to your life. What to do? Stop overthinking some things. Avoid fear-based content. Speak life into yourself daily. Say this: I protect and I aligned. Nothing negative can stay within me. Yes, cut off toxic people around you that carries negative energy. Every time they come around you, you feel energy drop. That is bad. What to do in this case? Limit access to your life. Stop sharing your plans with people. Everyone you see, you share your thoughts or your plans with them. Protect your peace at all costs. Daily spiritual protection that you can do. If you don't protect yourself daily, you will keep absorbing energies that is not meant for you. What to do is to pray and meditate every day. Set before your house. Visualize yourself into light and say, I cover myself. I am untouchable. No negative energy can reach me. Yes, so say this: if you are ready to remove every negative energy from yourself, type I am clean. If you're ready to do so, type I am clean. Yes. And if you feel that the energy around you is too strong to handle alone, I offer powerful spiritual cleansing protection material that can help you align fast and remove negative energy. Just send a message to my DM. Yes, if you need any of our product or services like spiritual consultation or any kind of spiritual work, you can chat us on our only WhatsApp number on Not a Barrier. We can get to you wherever you are. Your peace is your power. Protect it. When you understand the spiritual code of the universe, you'll be blessed and people around you shall benefit. Alright guys, thank you guys for having me. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys.